Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare romaine lettuce for Caesar salad. Start with the freshest romaine you can find. We'll begin by removing any outer leaves that look a bit tired or bruised. Then, gently separate each leaf from the core. This makes them easier to clean and ensures every part gets the attention it deserves. A good rinse under cool water is essential to wash away any dirt or debris, preparing them for the next step in our easy method. After separating, give your romaine a good soak. Submerge the leaves in a large bowl of cold water for about 5 minutes, gently swishing them around. This helps loosen any remaining grit. Then, carefully lift the leaves out, leaving any sediment at the bottom of the bowl. The most crucial step for a great Caesar salad is drying them completely, so use a salad spinner for best results. Now for the chop. You can stack a few dry leaves and slice them crosswise into 1-inch pieces, or for a more rustic feel, simply tear them by hand. Aim for bite-sized pieces that are easy to manage. If you're not serving immediately, store the chopped lettuce in an airtight container with a damp paper towel. This keeps it crisp in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. The final step is all about timing. Always make sure your romaine is completely dry before adding any dressing. Excess water will dilute the flavor. Dress your salad just before you plan to serve it to maintain that perfect crispness. For a large head of romaine, about 1/2 cup of dressing is usually ideal. Toss everything gently to ensure every leaf is beautifully coated and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.